What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use new transitions in CapCut to elevate your video editing game. Transitions play a crucial role in video production. They not only add a professional touch to your edits, but also help in seamlessly connecting clips, ensuring a smooth flow that enhances the storytelling aspect of your videos. Start by opening CapCut on your device. Once you're in, tap on the Edit tab located at the lower left. Here, you have the option to either work on an existing project or start a new one. For a new project, select more than one media file, be it pictures or videos, to enable the use of transitions. As you arrange your clips on the timeline, you notice a small vertical bar at the edge of each clip. This indicates the spot where you can add a transition. Tap on this bar and a menu will slide up from the bottom, showcasing a plethora of transitions you can apply to your clips. CapCut offers a wide range of transitions, from simple cuts to elaborate effects that can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your project. To make finding the right transition easier, CapCut categorizes them into tabs like Camera and Blur. Each category contains transitions with specific characteristics that match the tab's theme. If you have a particular transition in mind, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you've selected a transition, you can further customize it by adjusting its duration. This flexibility allows you to create the perfect effect for your video. If you ever find that a transition doesn't work as expected, you can easily remove it. Just tap on the crossed circle icon at the top left of the transition menu. Incorporating transitions into your CapCut projects can significantly elevate the quality of your videos, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, mastering the use of transitions is key to creating standout content. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.